Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to use maps in Blender sculpting. First I'm gonna prepare the geometry. Here you can duplicate the standard brush if you don't want to mess up something, or you can keep the original setting. We go to the texture properties, new, open, and we go to the directory that we have our alpha maps. I'm gonna select one of them. Then we go back to the setting, texture, mapping. We will make it on view plane, and the stroke on and correct. Let's try what we see. Okay, it's good. You have also another options for it is useful for different kind of alpha maps, like for what was the name, ornaments. Yeah, for ornaments you can also use this. It is also nice, but it's mostly useful for when you have like an ornament you want to project it on something. Thank you for watching.